Hello, this is Mark Mandy, and this is the first in what I hope will be a short series on how to edit wikis. What I'm going to demonstrate here is what you will likely run into the first time that you encounter wiki editing, and that is adding the game number onto the wiki page. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go to a game that I am playing with Pepper Beach of Tournicase that is a wiki tournament from the Wolfpack. When you first send the invitation, or when you receive the invitation, you will see a link here to the wiki page. The object is to take the game number here and enter it onto the wiki page here. The first thing that you want to do is highlight that number. My preferred way of doing it is to simply take my cursor, place it in the middle, and double click. That highlights just the number. I will then use keyboard shortcuts, Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on Windows. The alternative to that is, while the cursor is in the middle of the highlighted area, right-click and copy. Those are the three possible ways that you can do it with a computer. If you are on a tablet, you want to hold your finger on the number. It will highlight, and then you will get the option to copy, and you select copy. You then go back up to the link and you click on it to go to the wiki page. And this is the wiki page with all of the formatting and all of the name icons and the graphics. As you can see, I have not yet placed my number into this wiki. So to do that, I go up to the right-hand corner under Wiki Options, and I click on Edit this page. And there I get the plain text representation of all of these graphics. And what I want to do is locate my game with Pepper Beach. And it's in round 1. And there it is, Pepper Beach, Mark Mandy. I take my cursor and I place it, I click right next to game number. I then use keyboard shortcuts, Control-V or Command-V, to paste in the number, and there it is. Again, on the tablet, you're going to need to use your finger, but the first thing you want to do is enlarge the screen as much as possible so that you can get your finger right next to the game number, and when you hold it there, the option to paste will appear, and you will click paste. It is much more difficult on a tablet, and if you make a mistake but the entire number appears, as it will now because I'm going to deliberately make a mistake, that is acceptable. That's not a problem because the game administrator, the officer in charge, will come back in and fix it. I, right now, will go and fix it just so that you can see what it's supposed to come out like, and that is just by adding that space that disappeared. So now I save it, and here we are. This is what we should have at the end. In order to be certain that I have entered the correct number, I will then click on it, and there it is. There's the game. The last thing that I do, not everybody has to do this, it's just a convenience on my part, is to go back to the link, triple click it in this case, copy it, Command-C, Control-C, click in the game notes, Command-V, Control-V, update the notes, and now my link appears at the very top, and it will always be there, so at the end of the game I will be able to find it immediately. And that's it for this lesson. I'll be back later with more. Bye-bye.